Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I am here after a long time since I posted my last video. So sorry for that. Actually, I was busy somewhere else. So let's get started. Today topic is about maintenance, and in the last video I told you about the maintenance. You can say daily maintenance. In this video, we are talking about uh, 50 hours or weekly maintenance. So let's start. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more informative and interesting videos like this. Thank you very much. So the first point is repeat the 10-hour or daily check, which I already told you in the last video. And second point is check the fluid leaks, oil, fuel, water, transmission oil. If there is any sort of leakage, you should repair. Okay. And after that, we have third check, which is check wheel lug nuts and studs mechanically. If there is any sort of issue, you should repair them. After that, we have check the battery electrolyte level. So if there is any in need of adding electrolyte, then add the required amount of electrolyte in the battery. The next point is lubricate chassis. It is referred to lubrication system or lubrication chart. Okay, if there is any sort of requirement, you should lubricate the components. The next point is record engine's RPM. If high, then stall. You can record the engine RPM with the help of normal dashboard, which is easily available on every machine. Okay, as well as in case of road vehicles. Even in bulldozer, you can see the RPM on the dashboard. After that, check wear indicator on disc brakes. That is only for road vehicles. If there is any sort of issue, you should repair them. After that, we have check for structural damages like bending, cracking, and broke welding. I just wrote weld, so it's broke welding. If there is any sort of issue, you should repair them. So that's a small uh, video lecture for today. So if you have any other question regarding this topic or any other topic which I posted, or even if I'm not able to post that on my YouTube channel, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Take care.